Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're tackling a design challenge many of us face: the narrow bathroom and tips decorate it to look spacious. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Transforming a cramped, awkward space into a functional and stylish retreat can feel daunting, but it's absolutely achievable. We're going to dive deep into the world of narrow bathroom design, exploring its meaning, benefits, and most importantly, how to make the most of every inch. Let's start with the basics. A narrow bathroom, as the name suggests, is a bathroom where the width is significantly smaller than the length. This often creates a long corridor-like space that can feel cramped and claustrophobic. It's not just about the square footage, it's about the proportions. A small square bathroom can sometimes feel more spacious than a long, narrow one. The challenge lies in maximizing functionality and creating an illusion of openness in a limited and awkwardly shaped space. Now, you might be thinking, benefits? Surely you jest, but hear me out. While a narrow bathroom presents challenges, it can also encourage creativity and efficiency. It forces you to be intentional with your design choices, prioritizing essential elements and eliminating clutter. Think of it as a design boot camp. A well-designed narrow bathroom can be surprisingly efficient, as everything is within easy reach. Plus, with the right design strategies, you can transform a perceived negative into a unique and stylish space. It can also be more cost-effective to renovate a smaller space, as you'll require less material. How do you decorate a narrow bathroom designed to look spacious? This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? The key to making a narrow bathroom feel larger is all about visual tricks and smart space planning. Here are some essential strategies. First, light and bright. Embrace light colors on the walls and floors. White, cream, and light grays are your best friends. They reflect light and create an airy feel. Second, mirror. Strategically placed mirrors are game changers. A large mirror above the vanity can visually double the space. Consider a mirrored medicine cabinet for extra storage and reflection. Third, floating fixtures. Wall-mounted toilets and vanities create the illusion of more floor space, making the room feel less cramped. Fourth, shower power. A glass shower enclosure, whether framed or frameless, allows light to flow through the space, making it feel larger. Consider a sliding glass door or a walk-in shower to save space. Fifth, vertical focus. Draw the eye upward with vertical design elements like tall, narrow storage units or vertical tiling patterns. This will make the ceiling seem higher. Sixth, clever storage. Maximize every nook and cranny with smart storage solutions. Think recessed shelving, over-the-toilet storage, and slim drawer units. Seventh, consistent flooring. Use the same flooring throughout the bathroom to create a seamless look and avoid breaking up the space visually. Large format tiles can also help make the space feel bigger. Eighth, minimalist approach. Embrace a minimalist aesthetic to avoid clutter and keep the space feeling open. Less is definitely more in a narrow bathroom. Ninth, proper lighting. Good lighting is crucial. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting and accent lighting to brighten up every corner of the room. 10th, strategic accessories. Choose accessories carefully. A few well-chosen pieces can add personality without overwhelming the space. What are the best items for narrow bathroom design? Selecting the right fixtures and furniture is crucial for a narrow bathroom. Here are some top picks. 1. Wall-mounted vanity. Saves floor space and creates a clean look. 2. Corner sink. Maximizes space in tight corners. 3. Sliding shower door or walk-in shower. Conserves space compared to traditional shower doors. 4. Wall-mounted toilet. Frees up floor space and makes cleaning easier. 5. Recessed shelving. Provides storage without protruding into the room. 6. Over-the-toilet storage. Utilizes otherwise wasted space. 7. Slim storage carts. Fit perfectly in narrow spaces. 8. Large format tiles. Create a seamless look and make the space feel bigger. 9. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Combines storage and reflection. 10. Vertical towel ladder. Saves wall space and adds a stylish touch. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best narrow bathroom design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Scandinavian minimalism. Clean lines, light colors, and natural materials create a serene and spacious feel. 2. Industrial chic. Combine exposed brick, metal accents, and vintage fixtures for a unique and stylish look. 3. Modern farmhouse. Incorporate shiplap walls, a clawfoot tub if space allows, and rustic accents for a cozy and charming feel. 4. Coastal retreat. Use shades of blue and white, natural textures, and nautical-inspired decor for a relaxing and airy vibe. 5. Spa-like sanctuary. Create a tranquil atmosphere with soft lighting, natural stone, and luxurious towels. 6. Bold and geometric. Use geometric patterns and bold colors to add personality and visual interest. 7. Monochromatic elegance. Stick to a single color palette for a sophisticated and cohesive look. 8. Mid-century modern. Incorporate clean lines, warm wood tones, and iconic mid-century furniture pieces. 9. Bohemian rhapsody. Mix and match patterns, textures, and global influences for a vibrant and eclectic feel. 10. Luxury hotel style. Create a lavish and pampering experience with high-end fixtures, plush towels, and elegant lighting. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing a narrow bathroom that's both functional and fabulous. Remember, it's all about maximizing space, embracing light, and being smart with your design choices. Don't be afraid to get creative and personalize your space. What are your favorite narrow bathroom design tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more design inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching.